Patuloy ang pagpapalakas ng depensa ng Pilipinas sa dagat man o himpapawid. Patunay dyan ang nagpapatuloy na Exercise Alon 2025. Yan ang agenda report ni Francis Pope.
Ito ang eksena sa ginawang Combined Joint Force Entry Operation Beach Landing ng Australian Defence Force at mga miyembro ng Philippine Marine Corps sa Palawan. Ang live fire exercise ay bahagi ng isinasagawang Alon 25, ang bilateral military drill sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at Australia. Kasama rin ang Canada at Amerika. Ilan sa highlight ang pag-airlift ng Australian Defence Force personnel mula sa barko ng Pilipinas pasakay sa Australian MH-60 helicopter. Tampok din ang paglipat ng Royal Canadian Navy personnel sa RIB at transfer operations ng Philippine Navy personnel pabalik sa BRP Jose Rizal. Dinaluhan ito ni Defense Secretary Gilberto Chodoro Jr. at Australian Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Defense Richard Marles. Ayon kay Chodoro, napakita sa War Games ang matatag na samahan ng Pilipinas at Australia.
The exercise was very, very impressive, and this is a new venue, and you saw that the coordination between both the Australian forces and the Philippine forces were smooth. So we hope to be able to logisticize and to think of new scenarios as it evolves.
Kasabay nito ang pagpirma ng Statement of Intent para palakasin ang defense and security cooperation sa pagitan ng Maynila at Canberra.
There's an enormous amount of planning which goes into an exercise of this kind. It's more than 3,500 servicemen and women participating in this exercise, 1,600 Australians who have come across for it. To do all of that work, all the preparatory work, it requires a lot of interaction between our defence forces, and what this agreement will do is regularise the way in which all of that interaction occurs, and in terms of exercises, operations, the way in which we meet, and so it reflects the growing relationship between our two defence forces.
Magtatapos ang Exercise Alon 25 sa August 29 sa patuloy na pag-iit sa isang rules-based order sa buong Indo-Pacific region. Samantala ngayong araw, pinangunahan ni Australian Ambassador Mark Ines Brown ang wreath laying sa Rizal Park bilang pagkilala sa mga bayani ng bansa ngayong National Heroes Day. Ito ang isa sa mga unang aktibidad ng bagong talagang Ambassador of the Commonwealth of Australia sa bansa. Para sa agenda, Francis Polbe, Billionario News Channel.